What's up, guys? So there comes a time in the life of every 3D printer where the printer requires a little maintenance. And for a lot of my printers, since I use them very often, almost 24/7, sometimes literally running through the night, actually most of the time they are, I have to do some maintenance work on them frequently. Usually at least once a week. This one is my Anet A8 knockoff, and it does require a lot of maintenance. And so today what I did was basically I took apart the print bed area. I just took it apart down to scratch, detached all the wires on the side, and I took out the all-thread rod here, and then this other rod, which the Z-axis uses to move up and down. And then I also detached the motor, the stepper motors on the sides, and took off part of the frame on the top. Just because things kind of, as this is moving back and forth and up and down all the time, it does tend to shake itself apart. And it's just a good idea once in a while, depending on how frequently you use your printer, it's a good idea to take apart the moving parts and reassemble them and just tighten things and make sure that it's just working as nicely as possible. One other thing I wanted to show, let's see if I can even find it. Dang it, where did I put that? It's some lubricant. There it is. For 3D printers, you do not want to use WD-40. What you'll want to use is this kind of PTFE lubricant. And so, you know, maybe I'll actually do a different video about that at some point, because this one's already getting a little bit longer. But it is a good idea to lubricate your printers frequently. And that way it'll just keep all the moving parts working well, especially when it's metal on metal. So I just want to do a quick video on that, talking about what needs to be done on printers and why it's just a good idea to take them apart and basically rebuild them once in a while. So yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching. Thanks for watching me and listening to me ramble on. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. It does help out with the videos, and I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts about other stuff that you'd like to see. I have a lot of ideas also that I need to be making videos about. I don't know, I guess felt like I haven't had a ton of time lately for that, but I should put a little more time into that. So thanks you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.